Finally, some fresh mountain air. Oh yeah. All set up. I've already started to melt some snow here so I can get some water for my evening dinner. Today it's quite simple actually, it's just some realtumat, dry tech, and just a chicken soup. I really enjoy this. Silence from the mountains, just the wind blowing, some raindrops here on the tent, reading a good book. It's a quiet evening here. Aslak is over in his tent just relaxing, and yeah, preparing for tomorrow. We're not sure what the day will bring tomorrow. The weather forecast isn't looking too good. Most likely we'll get a lot of rain, but also another friend of Aslak is coming up and joining us, so that's good. Looking forward to that. So yeah, I think that's it for today. I will just read some more, and I see you guys in the morning. The weather doesn't sound too good, but it was expected. So it's time to get some coffee, I think, and have a little chat with Aslak.
Going for a walk.
Some shitty business. It's enough snow here at least. Crap. Shit, it's deep here. It's been raining most of the day until now, and as you see here, the fog is laying low. Our plan was to go skiing up on a mountain peak behind me. You can see it there. It's a nice spot with a great view all the way to the ocean. But with the weather we had today, we didn't go. So we have been sitting in each our tent, drinking coffee, listening to some podcast, reading books, music in the ears, and yeah, just enjoyed. But we are still out here. Aslak's happy?
Enjoying the outdoors.
Enjoying the outdoors.
Inside the tent.
Inside the tent, yeah. We can't have sunshine and blue skies all the time.
No.
Saturday evening, so it's time for some good food. Woo! I think the water is boiling here. Whoa! Man! Crazy! Yes! Try some chicken and the sauce here. And just heat it up a bit. Oh yes, this was good. And I've been looking forward to this all day. It's finally time. Solo isn't anything better when you're out. Oh, I think the area around here is quite nice, but due to the fog we haven't been able to see anything. So hopefully the fog isn't there tomorrow, so we can see something, and I hope to show something to you too. Okay, so I think that's it for today. See you tomorrow. As you see, the weather is miserable today too, so yeah, we decided to break camp and head back home. That's our way home into the fog. Freshly made tracks just for us.